Fancy 2005 Ep3 Civic Si. Got a little exhaust issue. It's missing some parts. Fun. The coolest thing about this car is if you sit here long enough, you can watch it rust. But I don't have time for that. Okay, I'm going to put a catback exhaust on it. You get these off of eBay really cheap. It's nice stuff to it. It's dirt cheap. It's all stainless steel, mandrel bent, and it's made by this company here. If you can, for this company here, I don't know. I can't read that stuff. But yeah, these are like, you could get just this pipe from Walker, and these two pipes, and it'll cost you just as much as more than the whole thing. So he wants me to put a fart can on it too. I told him I could use his factory exhaust, his factory muffler, and it'd still be nice and quiet, but he wants the fart can. So we're putting the fart can on it. It's going to be all cool and loud. Yeah, another nice thing about these aftermarket kits is they give you all the gaskets and stuff too, and all the bolts. So it's a really sweet deal. This Chinese stuff is just fine. Yeah, I got that. I got a belt and an oxygen sensor. It's pulling no response, front O2 code, and some link pins so the thing can handle really nice, because it's got a busted one in the front and a busted one in the rear, so it probably handles like crap. Yeah, these are really nice cars. I really like them. Too bad it's rusty. So yeah, okay, I'm doing it. So for starters, get these cat bolts off. If you're just doing a catback exhaust because you want to be cool and it's not all rusted out, you might be able to just get these nuts off and then take the thing out and get lucky that way. But if any of these break, these just rusted right completely off. A lot of times you can hammer them out. Usually they don't just hammer out. I'm getting lucky. They're kind of rusted through, but it'll hold everything on. If these don't want to come out either, and you really have to take the studs out, you might want to get some MAP gas, and you just get the outside of this just glowing red, and they'll pop right out. Yeah, there's really nothing left of these studs. They are knurled though, so. Alright. Yeah, there's some extra built-up rust on here. I'm just going to hit this with a chip and hammer just to flake all that excess junk off of there. Take this O-ring out of here. Yeah, I'm not going to get too carried away. See, I didn't take it all out, but I don't really need to because it's below the flat surface. That's all I really care about right now. I really like this junk. I'm going to use this. Just slather a whole bunch of it on here. I'm not shy with this stuff. Get it in that crack. I'm going to take this muffler off next. There's a couple hangers. I got this fancy tool that kind of works, kind of doesn't. Yeah, I'm going to go with kind of doesn't this time around. Sometimes you gotta bend these hangers a little bit to get them to fit. Hopefully I'll get lucky. It's supposed to be a hanger up here too, and it's missing. Yeah, it's not there. I might actually go buy one. Put this center pipe on next. I got this pipe in here, and it's a lot larger in diameter than factory. So the sway bar right here, it's like really close. It's really close to the frame up there. So if I wheel this around, I can get it to hit the sway bar on the bottom and the frame on the top. So it'll rattle once in a while, and that'll drive anybody nuts. So what I'm going to do is just take a Sharpie and just make a mark here and here. Just some good kind of guesswork. And I'll do the same up here on the frame. I'm going to take this muffler back down. Yeah, you can use a ball peen hammer for this. I got an air hammer though. And a ball peen hammer is probably going to work better for me. There. A little bit there. A little bit here. That should fit a lot better. That's not going to affect the flow or anything either. There. That might keep it from making noise. There, I bent this bracket a little bit. I had to bend these just a little bit. And yeah, I can almost get my whole finger through here. I've got all kinds of room now. And I put a little tiny dent in here, which I don't know, maybe somebody wouldn't want to do that. It's really not that bad though. You can barely see it, and it's not going to hit. I got lots of room there now, so that's good. That's all I care about. If these make noise, people don't like it. Ooh, chrome. Fancy. Fancy. Wow, that actually sounds really good. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, and standing from this angle, you can't even see that I did anything to the top of that pipe. And it doesn't hit. So it's all good. Okay, bye.